Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I guess kuweke with what spirit animal is per zodiac sign yakho. So ku part 1 senze Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer Leo. So manje siyaqhubeka sizoqala ngeVirgo. Wena Virgo, you are known for having wisdom, for having precision, and for being good at analyze izinto. So for wena ama-spirit animals akho i-owl, isikhova ngesiZulu, ikati kanye ne-virgin. Why kuyilezi zinto lezi? Nikhumbule ukuthi even though thina abantu abamnyama sesabona isikhova njengento yabathakathi, however isikhova sisymbolize i-wisdom. So isikhova, see wise, you can look into ukuthi-ke why isikhova symbolize wisdom, but mawungabheka nje many signs worldwide mangabe befuna ukufaka i-symbol of i-wisdom nokuhlakanipha abajwayele ukufaka isikhova. Ikati-ke obviously li-gentle, ikati nje alenzi noma yini, ikati and liyisilwane esi-very spiritual. And then in terms of i-virgin, i-virgin angithi-ke uVirgo uqala ungoSeptember. So uSeptember usuke yonke into isuke ivuseleleka kabusha. Kusuke kuyi-spring thina ngapha ngakithi. Even though thina lana kusuke kweyethu hemisphere kusuke kuyi-spring, ngale kusuke kuqala i-autumn, but it's the start of a new season. But nje let's go into ama-notes ami just ukuthi-ke sizokwazi ukuthi-ke sinabe. So i-symbol-ke of the virgin, i-significance yakhona, i-Virgo even ne-sign lakhona, it's represented by the young maiden. So naye uphethe like ngathini, uphethe i-wheat. So it symbolizes just ukuthi-ke it's a season for harvesting. So usuke si-transitiona from summer to autumn. And lento lena remember nikhumbule ukuthi-ke i-spring sisuke sesiqalela kabusha. We are entering into a new cycle. So kuyafana nokuthi-ke sisuke si-purifier, sisuke si-cleanse, and nje sisuke sibiza i-order ey'mpilweni zethu. And then nje ama-traits that are associated with this is i-ability ye-Virgo to analyze izinto, to refine into i-Virgo, let's say kunento ayenzile, and then the ability to refine lento asuke eseqalile wayenza, to bring order out of chaos, to separate the seed out of konke lokho okunye okungabalulekile kulento lena esuke igcine i-seed. So i-archetype, that's why kuyi-archetype of the virgin. It's just ukuthi-ke nje to drive self-improvement and being of service to abanye abantu. And then let's get into isikhova. So isikhova of spirit animal se-Virgo naso. So isikhova si-analytically, it just shows ukuthi lo muntu okukhulunywa ngaye has an analytical mind. So isikhova siyakwazi, si-good at hunting, and ama-Virgos are known for ukwazi ukuthi they observe silently, bayakwazi uku-analyze, and bayakwazi ukulinda the perfect moment to act, just like an owl. Yabona ne-wisdom and the-observation. Yazi isikhova was the ngathini, the pet of the goddess Athena. So yabona, and Athena is the goddess of wisdom. So nje lento i-aligna nalokuhlakanipha kwe-Virgo nokuba detail oriented, and nje abantu futhi abathanda ukufunda futhi abagudi-ke ey'ntweni ey'dinga nje isikolo, ey'dinga incwadi. So bayakwazi ukuthi babone izinto abanye abantu abangayiboni. That's just a gift i-Virgo enayo. So and iy'khova ngithi-ke ziyakwazi ukuthi zibone in the dark. So kusho ukuthi ne-Virgo iyakwazi ukuthi ibone izinto in the light, but also ibone izinto in the dark. So i-Virgo kusho ukuthi-ke nje ine-ability to uncover ama-hidden truths or ama-hidden details. Nje nokuthi-ke if kunama-inconsistencies in istory somuntu noma ku-character yomuntu, they are very quick to pick up on that. And then let's look at ke ikati as a spirit animal for iVirgo. Kuyasho nje ukuthi-ke ikati liyaziwa ngokuba clean, liyaziwa ngokuthanda ukuyigruma nokuyinakekela, liyaziwa ngokuthi libe ne-order. Yabona nje linalento yokuba ne-perfectionism. Ikati ngeke ulithole selidlale njengenja, yabona alinayo imikhuba yenja ikati. So lezo zinto lezo ziyafana kakhulu with iVirgo, zihambiselana neVirgo kakhulu. So nokuba intellectual nokuba nje independent. Remember amakati phela ahlakaniphile, amakati a-alert, amakati a-independent. So nje yabona leyo nto leyo it shows i-groundedness of this earth sign. And ama-Virgos ayathula futhi and ayakwazi ukuthi ayihlele into, ayiplane kahle into. So a-methodical. Nekati-ke nalo liyakwazi ukuthi li-navigate any space and any environment elikulo nje, alivele nje litheleke, ligijime, lishayiseke yonke indawo. No, li-move through kahle nje with precision. So ne-Virgo nayo i-move through life in a calculated way. So kahle kahle in summary nje, i-Virgin representa i-purity, ukuba service oriented, nje that's the nature of the sign. And i-Owl nekati representa the sharp, watchful and clean. Nale obsession ye-Virgo of i-perfectionism. So I think nje it nails ama-Virgos perfectly. Libra. So wena-ke it's the swan, it's the raven and it's the scales. Remember nina phela you balance out ama-scales. Nina, you guys are all about balance. You are all about harmony. You are all about peace. You are all about justice and zwani injustice. So nje ama-scales of balance, of course they had to be there. And you guys are so diplomatic and you have an elegance in how you move around or you maneuver around ama-situations, particularly ama-social situations. If i-Libra engekho kanjena, mina personally angiyazi, but-ke angisho ukuthi awekho. So how the swan is spiritual animal sakho, it's because the swan simuva ngegrace, sithanda ubuhle and siyathanda ukuthi-ke sibe in partnership, njengoba nani nithanda ukuthi niwork in partnership. So as an air sign, you guys are ruled by Venus, and obviously Venus is a planet of love. So iLibra nje i-obsessed with ama-aesthetics, ukuba elegant, and nje ni very romantic when it comes to uthando. So ama-swans-ke they made for life. Akusiwo ukuthi-ke aba nama-situationship enze zonke lezo zinto. No. Once nje akhetha i-mate that they are made for life, it just goes to show ukuthi-ke a-loyal kangakanani. So and esikhathini esiningi mangabe ungabheka izinto ey'ningi ze-romance, ama-swans are the symbol of love. So it mirrors i-desire ye-Libra for i-long-term commitment, to have ama-harmonious partnerships, and then just you guys are able to have grace under pressure. So and the ama-swans, they glide so smoothly over water. It's like a Libra navigating through ama-challenges. So you guys have an effortless grace and the talent yokuthi-ke ni-maintain i-peace, navigate ama-social situations with charm and elegance. So nje again, remember ama-scales of balance, it represents the ability yenu to find the equilibrium amongst the amongst the chaos. So equilibrium angithi vele it's that midpoint. Hey, I keep moving i-camera around because I didn't think ukuthi kuzoba nzima nje ukwenza le video emotweni. But-ke I just wanted to do it because abanye abantu sebebona ngathi I'm taking too long to do part 2. So i-raven as inyoni, it symbolizes ukuba diplomatic, i-intelligence as well as i-balance. So kuma Native American traditions, i-raven is associated with the sign of Libra as the messenger of harmony, i-messenger yokuthula. So nje le diplomatic intellect, ama-ravens are highly intelligent and are ama-creatures that are sociable. Kusho ukuthi i-raven iyakwazi ukuthi ifunde izinto that a typical bird ibingeke izikwazi ukuthi-ke ifunde. So nje i-intellectual and it's charming just like i-Libra. So you guys are able to balance duality. Duality, it's almost like you are balancing the dark and the light. That's duality. So Raven now has the ability to navigate between the 3D and other worlds, which could see other dimensions. So Raven doesn't only see lokho esikubonayo la in the 3D. Iyakwazi ukuthi ibone nezinto spiritually as a bird. Raven is a very spiritual bird. So ni good futhi add ngathini ukumediator, like ukuthi abantu bangaxabani, niyakwazi ukuthi-ke nizwe isayidi lalo nesayidi lalo without taking sides. You guys are really good at that, because that is part of i-gift yenu with regards to creating i-balance. Ama-skills-ke again, i-balance, i-justice, i-harmony. You guys hate injustices. So yabona, even though ama-scales wona eyi-object, but still ayi-symbol of i-Libra. It represents just like that deep fundamental trait of what Libra stands for: justice and equity. So you guys also, lama scales of balance abephathwa uThemis. uThemis is the Greek goddess of justice, so that's why. So lama scales are represented just i-commitment yenu to i-fairness, i-equality, and finding i-middle ground. So also symbolize just nje the need for i-balance, i-peace empilweni, nokuthi nje nalento esiqeda kuyikhuluma ukuthi you guys are very excellent at ukwenza abantu ukuthi mabakhulumisane basolve iy'nkinga zabo abanazo. Scorpio sezingawe-ke, i-Scorpio is the snake, guys. Ningayiqwayi inyoka. Inyoka is very spiritual. Inyoka, it also represents Kundalini. Inyoka, it represents the highest level of wisdom. And then the Scorpion, so it indicates transformation, intensity, and your hidden strength. So yabona, the reason why it's represented by the Scorpion and the snake, it's because of the shared intensity. You guys are so intense, and the mangabi Scorpio sesithe target, and you won't survive, just like inyoka nje. So nje the intensity eninayo, the secrecy eninayo, and the ability to transform izinto ezenzaka empilweni yenu. You guys sometimes ni defensive, ni calculated, and it's because you have this protective energy. You guys are always trying to protect. And what does a scorpion do when it's trying to protect itself? Yastinga, and the leso sting sakhona poisonous, just like amagama enu. What does a snake do mangabe inyoka izizwa under threat? Iyakapa, and the lawo mazinyo are poisonous. So nje nani la i-scorpion. So because of lento transformation, remember ukuthi ke snake, it represents shedding your old skin. So that is a transformation. So it makes sense ukuthi ke sibe la in the most transformative sign there is. So it also represents healing, it's profound regeneration. Yabona nje niyakwazi ukuthi nindlule through izinto ezi-deep, izinto ezi-dark, izinto ezi-intense ezenzakalayo empilweni. So why the Scorpion? Obviously protection, intensity. Yabona, i-scorpion, remember, it's a desert creature. So ama-scorpions are intense, they are very focused. Ngeke i-scorpion sithi sizoshaya wena bese sishaya sigeja shaya eceleni. No, sayishaya nje i-target. But still you guys are loyal. You are powerful protectors, and you only strike when necessary, just like the Scorpion. So lento lena yokunfanisa ne-scorpion, it's rooted in Greek mythology. So i-scorpion is associated with a story of Orion. So it represents the ability to defeat but to rebirth from life's challenges. So mangabe ufisa ukuyofunda kabanzi ngo-Orion, absolutely go ahead, ne-Greek mythology. So you guys are strategic in nature. You are known for being calculating and being strategic. You guys are often plotting. Isn't you guys are always multiple steps ahead, and it's because you guys are so patient at ukwenza into. So why the snake kuyi-archetype yenu? Obviously, transformation and rebirth. Snake is a profound symbol for shading isikhumba senu, for emerging as a renewed being or renewed version of yourself, and aligning also with the energy of the Scorpion. Ngapha-ke i-secrecy, but you guys are also really good at healing. Yazi ukuthi-ke i-venom ye-snake iyakwazi ukubulala but iyakwazi futhi ukwelapha. So that's something I don't know if nonke beniyazi leyo nto leyo. So inyoka, it represents kwamanye ama-traditions the ability to heal and the wisdom found in secret knowledge or hidden or secret knowledge. Remember ngithe inyoka iyisimboli yekundalini, and ey'bhedlela ngithi kunale nyoka le ethena on a sword, so iyisimboli of healing. Yabona, these animals along with the phoenix, it signifies rising from the ashes, it signifies ukuba reborn, it represents some various stages of spiritual growth sakho as a person. Okay guys, that's it for part 2. Make sure you tune in for part 3 where we do Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces. Guys, how come views they don't match the number of followers in? You guys are consuming content but you are not liking, you are not commenting, and you are not subscribing. That's not fair, guys. If you guys nifuna ukungigqugquzela ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngilokhu ngenza i-content for YouTube, then you guys have to subscribe, number 1, like posts esenwabukile, and then comment or nje do something, a level of engagement. Even if uposta emoji, that's still fine, but do something so that nabanye abantu bezokwazi ukuthi bathole access to my content. But just consuming content yami and then just leaving it at that, ubuye noma ukhulume nabanye abantu about yona but mina unginikezanga level of support, that's unfair. Are you guys even watching my adverts? Because I've asked you guys to please watch my adverts that come up on YouTube, so it can be worth it for me ukuthi ngiloko ngigqugquzele ukuthi ngibuye ku YouTube ngizoposta nami. Okay.